Journey to the Stars, 7 Surprising Benefits of Space Exploration Advancing Scientific Knowledge. Space exploration has led to significant advancements in scientific knowledge, including our understanding of the universe, our solar system, and the Earth. The cosmos, an infinite realm of twinkling stars and mesmerizing galaxies, has been a subject of fascination for centuries. Today, we delve into the surprising benefits of space exploration and how it's reshaping our world. How often have we looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond? The answer is in space exploration. It has broadened our understanding of the universe, our solar system, and the Earth itself. It's a journey to the stars, a journey of discovery. One of the major benefits of space exploration is scientific advancement. It has propelled the evolution of technology, leading to inventions we use in our daily lives. Whether it's GPS navigation, weather forecasting, or even the memory foam in our mattresses, it's all thanks to space exploration. Moreover, space exploration doesn't just benefit the scientific community. It fuels economic growth too. It stimulates job creation, fosters innovation, and encourages the development of new industries. Space tourism, satellite services, and asteroid mining are all potential avenues for future economic prosperity. While we journey to the stars, we're also learning about our own planet. Space exploration gives us a unique perspective on Earth, helping us to comprehend climate change, monitor natural disasters, and conserve resources. It's a vital tool for environmental preservation. Space exploration also fosters international cooperation. Nations come together, pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and working towards common goals. It's a testament to what humanity can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together. Furthermore, space exploration feeds our innate curiosity and thirst for knowledge. It inspires the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. It encourages young minds to dream, innovate, and reach for the stars. Lastly, space exploration is a beacon of hope and resilience. It shows us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, we can achieve incredible feats. It's a testament to the human spirit, our ability to dream, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. In conclusion, space exploration is more than just a journey to the stars. It's a journey of discovery, of innovation, and of unity. It's a journey that holds the promise of a brighter future, a journey that we're all a part of. So, let's continue to reach for the stars, for the benefits are truly astronomical.